What's going on, y'all? Sneakers on the Fox TV. Gotta do a quick unboxing for y'all. Let's see what we have here. Okay, got the Bradley Theodores. Which one is this? This is the Capri Bradley Theodore. Capri Bradley Theodore. Box got a little messed up. The box actually, these came in yesterday, but left them outside, and it actually rained yesterday. So you see this on the box. This is the Bradley Theodore box. For y'all that do not know about Bradley Theodore, check him out on Instagram at Bradley Theodore. Check him out. He's a dope artist. Not an artist music wise, but painter, based out of New York. I've done a video already of one of his collab sneakers with Puma. These are the suedes that he dropped last year with Puma. Real dope artist, and I can't wait to get out to New York to meet him. This is what he dropped last year, and I should have a video out, so just go to my videos if you want to see the review on this sneaker. This is a real dope sneaker. Okay, so let's see what he has in this collab. Better person now that I actually see it online. A lot of details that you don't see when you're online. These, it's a lot of detail I didn't see that was on these. These are the Capris right here. This is your right side of the sneaker. The right and left side are pretty much the same. Man, this is a dope sneaker. This is dope. Okay, so let's take a look at the sneaker. Definitely want y'all to see this tongue. Get this unlaced. So y'all can look at the tongue. We'll start with the tongue. I love tongues on sneakers. This is probably one of my favorite parts of sneakers is that tongue. I like to have them out so you can see. Here's a Puma, pound sign, heart sign, Puma right there. In the insole, you got your Bradley Theodore and the Puma logo. It's a nice leather material all the way around the sneaker, all leather. The toes white. You got your rubber outsole, and then leather midsole. The tongue is all leather as well. And like I said, Bradley Theodore is based in New York. So as you see, here's the New York right here that's painted on. And then there's a foam strip in green. That's not a green. I like to call this color diamond blue. Because as y'all know, this is the diamond that they use, that same color blue. But this is the foam strip, as you can see right here. That's real dope right there. And then I don't know if you can see it, but he has like writing there in the background of it. It's like a pound sign, a B. I can't make it all out what it is. And he also has it on the inside here. It has a pound sign, a Z, O, and some other stuff over there. A heart. So a bunch of other stuff on there as well. Yeah, these are dope, man. These are actually doper than I thought. Then on the heel, this is like the yellow part is suede. And you can see the Puma logo on there. bottom. Here's the bottom of the sneaker. It's a dope sneaker, and I've already talked to him. I'm supposed to get up with him in New York, and what we're about to do with the sneaker is about to be dope. There you go. Other side, New York. Got a lot of love for New York. I spent a good part of my life there in New York. Great experience. So definitely got a lot of love for New York. Love that city. And looking forward to getting out there for the grand opening. Gonna get up with my dudes, my Puma bros, Crazy Chris and Juice Puma. Juice Chris, definitely gonna get up once I touch down in NY. So I'm just waiting for this grand opening of the Puma store that's supposed to happen soon. But here you go. These are the Capri, Bradley Theodore's. Dope sneaker. This is a dope sneaker. Real dope. I think this sneaker was slept on. But the material's good. Just that artwork with the New York right there. That's just dope. Real dope. So like, comment, subscribe. I love all the feedback that I'm getting from y'all. Continue to post your comments. I will definitely reply. If it's not 1 day, 2 days, or 3 days, I will definitely always reply. Thank y'all for showing so much love. And you can always follow me on Instagram. That's what I use mainly outside of YouTube. And then for sure go to the website. That's where all the content that I post is on the website at sneakersandafox.com. You can copy your Sneakers and the Fox t-shirts, and we got plenty more stuff that's coming. And but yep, here you go, Bradley Theodore's, and I'm out.